Hello, my little stars. This is PopoBuzz, and you're watching PopoBuzz Academy. Today, we're going to learn something super important: our daily routine and all the good habits that make us healthy and happy. Things like brushing our teeth, taking a bath, washing our hands, wearing neat clothes, keeping things clean, and always saying thank you. Why do we learn this? Because good habits keep us healthy, happy, and kind. When you brush your teeth, your smile shines bright. When you take a bath, you stay fresh and clean. And when you say thank you, you make everyone around you feel happy. We're going to learn all this in a fun rhyme today. So kids, are you ready? And hey, don't forget, there's a full PopoBuzz Academy playlist where you can learn more fun things every week. Kids are loving it, and you will too. So if you enjoy learning with me, click subscribe so you never miss a class. Now, let's begin today's adventure. Good habits. Let's go.
Healthy habits one by one. Learning them is so much fun. Brush and wash and dress up to good habits make a better you. Take your brush and squeeze a pea. Scrub your teeth so carefully. Up and down the front will shine. Back and forth the smile is mine. Cheek side clean and tongue side too. Tiny circles make it new. Morning sun and bedtime moon. Brush your teeth, it ends too soon. Spit and rinse, it feels so bright. Fresh clean mouth is pure delight. Happy teeth that never ache. Brushing's fun for health's own sake. Turn the tap, the water flows. Scrub your body, head to toes. Soap so bubbly, scrub a D. Clean and fresh as you can be. Wash your neck and arms so strong. Sing a bath time bubbly song. Behind the ears, don't miss a spot. Clean, cool skin feels nice a lot. Rinse it off, the dirt is gone. Dry with towel, soft and long. Every day the bath is fun. Shiny, clean for everyone. Turn the tap and wet your hands. Soap them up with foamy strands. Rub the palms and fingers too. Wash the germs away from you. Scrub the thumbs and nails so neat. Rub the backs, don't miss your seat. Rinse with water, nice and clean. Shiny hands like you've never seen. Dry them off, they're safe and dry. Wave your hands up to the sky. Before you eat or after play, wash your hands the healthy way. Pick your shirt that's neat and bright. Dress for day, it feels so right. Button up or zip with care. Tidy clothes you love to wear. Shoes and socks, they fit so well. Tuck them in so none can tell. Comb your hair, look smart today. Ready now to go and play. When it's done, fold clothes with pride. Keep them safe and clean inside. Morning, evening, every day. Clothes kept neat will last and stay. Healthy habits one by one. Learning them is so much fun. Brush and wash and dress up to good habits make a better you. Blocks and dolls and cars all round. Put them back where they are found. One by one the mess will go. Tidy room will start to glow. Books on shelves and toys in bins. That's the way the cleaning wins. Fold the mat and sweep the floor. Neat and clean, we love it more. When you're done, it feels so nice. Tidy room is worth the price. Play again another day. Clean up time is here to stay. all through the night. Early rise when morning's here. Fresh new day is bright and clear. Sleep on time, you'll always grow strong and happy, don't you know? Say thank you when help is near. Kindest words for all to hear. Big or small, it means a lot. Good manners we never forgot. Thank your friends for games they play. Thank your teacher every day. Thank your parents, love is true. Magic starts with a thank you. Thank the sun for shining bright. Thank the moon for gentle light. Thank the world for all we do. Grateful hearts will guide us through. Healthy habits every day. Learn them well in fun and play. Brush and wash and sleep on time. Thank you, friends, for joining rhyme.
Wow! Superstars! You did it! Ha! We brushed, washed, dressed, cleaned, slept, and even learned to say thank you! Remember, good habits make you strong, smart, and happy every single day. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a PopoBuzz Academy video. And hey, check out the full playlist. There's so many fun lessons waiting for you. You are amazing. I'm proud of you. Bye-bye, young stars. See you in the next class.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the song? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more songs like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can sing along too.